Warning, 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 this code has been hacked and found by Daisy09. Daisy09 will be in this code soon. Leave while you still can. I am here to warn you. Leave while you still can. This server is hacked. Leave while you still can. This server has been hacked. Run, 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 run. Now, 999.788.129.0.853.970.636.4.87. 321 Daisy09 has injected a virus into the server that will factory reset your headset. This server has been injected by a virus. Leave the server now. The virus allows players to get kicked. Players will now starting to getting kicked out the server. Leave while you still can, or you'll be kicked or banned. Server has a virus. RUN now, RUN now, RUN now. I am warning bot telling you to leave the server. The virus will start reading IP addresses 192.802.904.9872. Now the virus will start reading house addresses 402 Avenue F. Thomaston, George, 110 Avenue F. Florida, 220 Avenue F. Hawaii. War.
So yeah, if y'all want to see me use that in a Gorilla Tag video, just 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 let me know. Let me know. Let me know. And I'll troll with that sound on Gorilla Tag if this video gets to, let's say, about 5 likes. At least 5 likes.